Good morning, children. Hope all of you are studying very well and in full swing. Today, our topic of discussion is breadboard and connection of electronic gadgets, that is, small machines, small circuits on a breadboard. Especially today, I shall discuss the connection of LED, I mean light emitting diode display on a breadboard. So children, let me discuss and present virtually some very important components, I mean electronic components, as identification and assembling and deassembling of the components on a breadboard. So this is a breadboard, and making and tracking various small electronic gadgets on the breadboard. We assemble electronic circuit on breadboard. There is no need of soldering with the soldering iron. We can test any electronic circuit on the breadboard. Breadboards are made up of plastic and available in different shapes and sizes and of different colors. These are available in full size. So this is full size. Some are available in half size and even in mini size also. We can also remove the circuit and assemble another circuit on the breadboard. There are many points on the breadboard. We call them contact points. All these points are known as contact points. The small holes, these holes you see, are contact points. In one breadboard of this size, there are 840 holes, I mean points. There are 840 points on this breadboard. If the circuit is big, we can join two or more breadboards. There are arrangements to join the breadboard. Let me show you how to join breadboard. Say this is another breadboard. How there are arrangement. See. Yes. Like this we can join. So this way we can join and the two breadboards, and according to our requirement we can join breadboards in this way also. See, in this way also we can join breadboard. So okay, the distance between 2 points, I mean hole, is 1 inch. I mean distance between these 2 holes is 0.1 inch. Now on the breadboard, the upper two lines, say this upper two lines and these lower two lines, we use for power supply distribution. We give power supply connection to these upper two lines and lower two lines. Okay, now let me discuss the connections within the breadboard. From this hole to this hole, all points are connected from inside. From these points to these points, all holes are connected inside. And from this point, I mean hole to this hole, are connected from inside, and from this hole to this hole, all points are connected inside. Similarly, the lower end, this lower two pair of lines, from this hole to this hole, all are connected, from this hole to this hole, all are connected. From this hole to this hole, all points are connected. And from this hole to this hole, all points are connected. Again, these 5 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 holes are connected vertically from inside, and from this hole to this hole, all 5 points are connected vertically. Vertically all are connected. Here also all 5 holes are vertically connected. I mean from this point to this point, not from this point, this way, but this way. All holes are vertically connected. When you connect, you should know that these 5 points are connected from inside. Now, what I want to show you, how to connect a simple circuit, say LED light display circuit, on a breadboard. So first of all, let me identify you the materials required for this LED light display circuit. Number 1, LEDs. We need LEDs. These are LEDs, light emitting diodes, available in different colors. Okay, these are called LEDs, light emitting diodes. Also we require 100 ohm resistor. 100 ohm resistor. These are 100 ohm resistor. In my next session, I will tell you how to know the value of the resistor. Now you take it for granted that these resistors are of 100 ohm value. Next we require jump wire. These are called jump wire. Jump wire. We require jump wire. Then we require 9-volt battery. This is called 9-volt battery. These are 9-volt batteries for power supply. And also we require battery connector. This is called battery connector for giving connection. This way we connect battery for giving connection to the circuit. And also we may require this switch. These are called switch. So these are the materials. If we can accumulate, we can assemble this LED display light circuit. Okay. Now LED, that is light emitting diode. Diode is always unidirectional. You must know the polarity of the diode. This diode has 2 poles. One is anode. Anode is, we say anode is positive, and the other is cathode, which is negative. Cathode is negative and anode is positive. Finally, let me show you the connection procedure. See, this here we connect the battery with the battery connector. Then we put it like this, power supply. The black is generally negative and the red wire is positive. Now we give the connection of resistor, 100 ohm resistor we use here. Yes. Okay. Now we can give the connection of LEDs. See, the LED is jumping. Similarly, we can add any number of LEDs, and we can add more number of LEDs with the jump wires. See? This way. See, the LEDs are dancing. Similarly, with the help of this jump wire, we can add more and more numbers of LEDs, even by joining the breadboard also. And so do this and try this and enjoy the connections of various electronic circuit. So this much for today. Thank you.